Hello friends, I am Priyal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, we are going to see how we can create a simple 3D model with the help of Solidworks. So let's start. So friends, this is the drawing with the help of which we are going to create this part. So for creating a new part, click on the file and from here, create a new file and here select part because here we are doing part modeling. So friends, first of all, we are going to create this geometry. So for this friends, I am going to choose front plane to create my sketch. So friends, let's start creating. Click on the line, select line command from here and then click a line here like this. Now a vertical line, then an inclined line. Now friends, we want to create a arc. So go back to this point and friends see. Now our arc has been generated. Now a inclined line and a vertical line. Now right click select to come out of the command. Now friends, click on this point and give relation coincident. Now friends, create a center line. Now friends, we will give relation between among this center line and this point and this point. Relation is symmetric. And relation between this arc and this line is given as tangent. See friends. And this point, center point is lying on the center line. Now friends, to give dimensions, click on the smart dimensions and from here let's start giving dimensions. So friends, length of this line is given as 36 mm. Length of this line is given as 76 mm and this arc radius is specified as 16. Radius of this arc is given as 16 mm and distance between the center point and this point is given as 64 mm. Difference. Distance between the center of the circle and this point is given as 64 mm. Now come here. Difference. Now friends, our sketch has turned black means it is fully defined. Now we will extrude it. And extrude length is given as 6 mm. So we will extrude it to a length of 6 mm. Difference here. Simply put 6 and condition blind and right. Now friends, we will give fillets to this face. So for that, simply click on this face and click fillet. And here give a fillet of radius 1 mm. Here and here. See. Now friends, we will create these 3 holes. So friends, for this, select this plane and select sketch. Now let's start creating holes. First of all friends, create a center line. Now simply right click select. Now friends, create 3 circles and a circle on this center line. Hence radius of these 3 circles is equal. So give relation equal. And its diameter is given as 12 mm. Friends, this circle and this circle are concentric. So give relation concentric. Simply press Ctrl key, click on this circle and this arc, and give relation concentric. And friends, its diameter is 12 mm. And friends, between these two circles, relation is symmetric. So simply press Ctrl key and select these 2 points and this center line and give relation symmetric. See friends. Now friends, let's start giving dimensions. So friends, distance between this center point and this line is given as 18 mm and distance between this center point and this line is given as 16 mm. And friends, here delete these dimensions and relation between this outer line and this point is given as 18 mm. Now friends, it's right. Now friends, to create the holes, we will select extrude cut command. And friends, see, and here select up to next. See friends. Now friends, our holes has been created. Now friends, we will create these features by using revolve boss space command. So for this friends, simply select right plane and sketch. Now friends, create a center line. This center line is vertical, so give relation vertical. And this center line is at a distance of 100 mm from this edge. So here relation is distance is 105 mm. Sorry, 100 mm. Now friends, let's start creating this feature. Create a horizontal line, then vertical line. Then again a horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, then again vertical and then horizontal. And now close it. Now friends, this diameter is given as 44 mm. So select this point, this line, and here give 44 mm. And friends, this diameter is 34 mm. And friends, this thickness is given as 6 mm. This thickness is also 6 mm. And friends, distance between this line and this line is given as 82 mm. Now friends, between this line and this line, relation is given as vertical. Now friends, select this line and this edge and give relation collinear. See friends, now our sketch has turned black, means it is fully defined. Now we will use evolve boss base command. See friends, our axis of revolution has been selected. Our axis of revolution is this center line. And now simply click right. See friends, now friends, here a hole is given of 16.5. We will create it later. First of all, we will create this wall, these two walls, this wall and this wall. For this friends, simply select this face and start creating a sketch. Now friends, create a center rectangle here. Click on this circle and click convert entities. Here, friends, we want it for only reference purpose, so simply click on this circle and give construction geometry. Now friends, click on this line and this point. And between this line and this point, relation is symmetric, coincident. And click on this line and give relation collinear. And friends, distance between this line and this line is given as 6 mm. And now friends, create a center line and select these three lines and give relation symmetric difference. Now we will extrude it. So simply click on the features and select extrude box base. And friends, here in blind select up to surface. This time we will not select blind, we will select up to surface, and here in surface select this surface. See. Now click right. Now friends, we will create this wall. And friend, it is at a distance of 35 mm from this face. So first of all, we will create a plane for reference purpose. To click on plane, select this face, flip direction and give distance 35 mm. And now let's start creating a geometry here. So select this plane and sketch. And here, click on line, create a horizontal line, then an inclined line, then again a horizontal, then an inclined line, like this. And friends, again convert this for reference purpose and click on this and give construction geometry. Now friends, click on this line and this point and give relation coincident. This line is lying on the center point of this circle. Now friends, create a center line so that we can give relation symmetric. We want that this line and this line is symmetric about this center line. So simply click on the center line and this line and give relation symmetric. And friends, length of this line is given as 56 mm. See friends. And this length of this line is given as 34 mm. Length of this line is equal to the diameter of this cylinder. Now friends, we will extrude it. Click on extrude box base and give thickness of 6 mm opposite side and simply click right. Reference. Now let's hide this plane. Now friends, let's create a hole here. So for this, simply click a circle here and this circle is of diameter 16 mm. So give diameter 16 mm. And here friends, this circle, center point of this circle and this circle is same. To click on this circle, press Ctrl key, click on this circle and give relation concentric. See friends. Now to create a hole, click on extrude cut and here simply drag it. See friends, it's coming out now. See friends, so our holes has been created. So now friends, our 3D model has been created. Now friends, we will give some fillets. To simply click on fillet, and here we are giving fillets of 1 radius. So select this face, this edge, remove this edge, and this face. And friends, here just select this face. See friends. Now friends, again click on fillet, and here click this edge and this edge. This edge, see friends. Now friends, let's give some material to it. So to give material, go here in appearances and you can select any material of your choice from here. There are a lot of materials available here. So friends, here I am selecting copper. See friends. And let's give some different color to our fillets. So click on fillets and let's give some different color to each fillet. Let's give titanium. See friends. So friends, a 3D model has been created. Friends, did you understand how to create this type of 3D model with the help of SolidWorks? So friends, if you have understand it well, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And if you have any query about anything, you can simply text me on Instagram and write in the comment section also. I will try to solve all your queries. Thank you for watching my video, friends.